Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be setting up the month of September. I do have some leaf stickers here. This is from the Live Love Posh Luxe Summer sticker book, and I just saw these and I thought that they would be great on my overview page. This one I am mainly using for all of my personal items, so anything that has to do with my life, my home, my family will go within this planner. And I'm going to be using these stickers and also some colorful boxes which are from my shop. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off by adding some of these leaf stickers, and we're just going to add these around the perimeter of this spread. And this is just so I still have space to write down all of my goals. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you all in so you could see. But we're gonna start off by adding the month at the very top. And then I am going to just add in some of my categories. These are just personal categories. Basically, it's everything but work that I'm going to add on here. So my overview page is the page that will help me with all of my goals. These are anything that is not work related. So I will put health, personal things on here, things for the girls' school, things that I would like to do for my family or for my home, but anything that is related to me personally, to my family, to my relationships, to my friends, to my social life, or to my overall well-being will go on this page. So I will switch it up from time to time, and I will kind of decide at the beginning of the month what I would like to focus in on, and then I will pick those 5 areas and then I will categorize them on this overview page. So this month we have my health goals, we have family, school, which is specifically for the girls' school, home, which is anything that I want to do in my house, and then my learning. And my learning is me picking up books again. I read 3 books in the month of August and I was really excited about that, and so I wanted to keep that going for the month of September. So I'm going to add 3 more books that I would like to read for the month of September, and those books are usually a variety of genres. So I am currently reading a romance novel. I am also reading a church related book. It's like church leadership book, and I'm also reading a productivity book. So all 3 of them I would like to get done by the end of the month. And so I am listing out all of my main to-dos and the goals that I have for this month. Some of these things are just things I'm tracking, like my overall weight, and some of them are things that I would like to accomplish, like reading a specific book. And then some of them are tasks, like the things that I would like to do for my family, like book doctor's appointments, finish my quarterly taxes, text my brother on some things that we are taking care of for my parents. It's just some overall things that I would like to get done by the end of the month, even though they don't have a specific day that they have to get done. And I have been asked in the past, like, how do I make sure I actually get these things done if they don't have a specific day? And the way that I will do that is I check in on this page at the beginning of every single week, and I am basically checking in to see where I am and if I can squeeze any of these particular things in during that week. And if it's a really, really busy week, I might skip it and say that I can't really do anything for this week. If it's not that busy of a week, then I will see what I could squeeze in, and then I will add that time within my planner on the week, on the day that I am planning on doing it. Okay, so we have added in all of my goals, and some of them are just things that I need to do, but basically I just use this page to kind of highlight all of the big things that are going on in my life. And so we have my health, my family, the kids' school, and then we have things that are going on at home, and then my learning. So this is my personal learning, and then this is kind of the things for the kids' learning. And the only thing that I don't have on this page is anything that has to do with work or anything that has to do with church. That goes within my to-do planner, and I will keep track of all of the main things that are coming up there. But next we are going to fill out my calendar. So my calendar is my catch-all calendar, which means that I'm going to put a little bit of everything that is going on in my life within this planner, and I might go into more detail if I need to, if it's work related, within my to-do planner. But with this one, we like to highlight just all of the things that are coming up so that I can easily see at a glance everything that's happening for the entire month. I am going to add a couple of more of these leaf stickers just to keep with the same theme. We're not going to add too many because I usually need the space. And can I say, I just absolutely love when the first starts on a Monday. It just makes my planner seem so much more symmetrical to me. I really do love filling out my planner when the first is on a Monday. But now that I have added in all of my dates, now we're gonna go in and add in all of the things that are happening throughout the month. So just dropping in everything that is happening throughout the month. Now this is my catch-all planner, so this one gets a little bit of everything. So I'm adding in all of the things that's coming up for work. I am also adding in things that's coming up for church, for my personal life. I'm going out of town this month. I have a couple of speaking engagements this month, so it's all getting listed out on this planner. And September is going to be a busy month. I am planning on launching my 2026 planners in this month as well. If not by the end of the month, definitely by the very first week of October. And with my planners, since they're undated, it's not really a really big launch, but I do like to make small changes to the different undated planners that I have in order to make them more functional for the people who do like to use them. And lately I have been really simplistic. Even with the planners that I'm currently using, I just recently decided to go back down to 4 planners for this upcoming month. So I'm going to be using my schedule planner, my to-do planner, my faith planner, and my budget planner. And then I am going to keep track of all of my notes in my brainstorming notebook. I love to do that whenever it's going to be a really busy month because I know I'm going to have a lot on my plate and I'm not going to have time to set up all 6 of my planners. So I will drop down to 4 and really focus in on the ones that I absolutely need and put as much information as I possibly can in the ones that I am currently using. So this planner gets all of my events, all of my appointments, anything that is to do with a specific time that I have to be in a specific place, it is going in this planner. And my to-do planner, I mainly use the monthly calendar to list out all of my social media plans. So that's every video that I'm planning on posting for the month and when it is scheduled to post. And so this one keeps me on top of all of the places that I need to go and what time I need to be there. And then my to-do planner is all of the different videos that I need to post. So it's more of the to-dos that I have for the month of September. So this is what my catch-all planner looks like now. We are all ready to go. I have my goals on the front page and I have my calendar filled out. After this, I am going to do my to-do planner. I'm going to list out all of the main things that I have to do for work here. And then we are going to list out all of my videos and everything that I want to post on this planner. With my faith planner, I'm going to list out all of my faith goals, and then we are going to keep track of the scripture of the day here. And my budget planner has already been filled out. I did this one in a short where I listed out my goals here, and we have already listed out my budget for the month. But I am excited and ready for the month of September. So you guys let me know in the comments if you are ready to go for the month of September, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.